Hey crew, today we're going to look at a couple of games on how to make Zoom more interactive and more fun for the whole class. So I have my class here all prepped and they're ready to do a couple of the interactive activities that I like to do with students. So the first one we're going to do is just a private response answer. I use this a lot for math to check on student understanding and make sure that everybody is involved. So I'm going to ask a simple math question, and then if you look down in the bottom right corner here, you're going to see that I enabled the chat for host only, so the participants can chat with me only. And what that does is it allows them to send in a response, but I'm the only one who can see it. So I can make my little notes on the side, see who's understanding the lesson and who might be struggling. So the question for today, it's going to be a real simple multiplication question. All I'm going to ask is, what is 5 times 4? And you'll see they're going to start responding right over here. So you can go ahead and send that, and you can see as the responses come in, I can make a little note of who is comprehending the lesson so far. I can make notes of anyone who isn't answering. I can show anyone who's going above and beyond, like my friend right here. And we can really keep an eye on who is processing the information so far. So this is just a quick way to get a quick response. Works well, great for an exit ticket or something like that. All right, the next interactive activity that I want to show you is a game called Waterfall, and this works great for student responses. It works great for morning meeting type activities. Anytime you want to get the class involved, exit ticket type things. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my chat box down here, and I'm going to click on more, the 3 little dots, and I'm going to allow everyone to reply publicly. So what that's going to allow everyone to do is it's going to allow my entire class to respond publicly so everyone can see their answer. So this is going to be a public answer, but they're not going to send it until I say go. So they're not going to reply to whatever my question is until I tell everyone to go. And this helps so that other students aren't influenced by other students' answers. So the question for this one's super simple. I'm going to ask, what is your favorite pizza topping? Now, students are going to start typing in their responses right now, but they're not going to press enter. So they're typing in their responses as we speak, but they're not going to press enter until I tell them they're ready. And we have a signal that we use when our answer is typed in, depending on how long it is. The students will hold their hand up, ready to press the enter button. And this shows me that they're ready to respond. So I'm going to give them just a few more seconds. Again, that question was, what is your favorite pizza topping? And you'll notice that no one has responded yet, which is perfect. We're all listening. And then what I'll do is I'll count down from 5. So I'm going to count down from 5, and when I get to 0, everyone is going to press enter all at once, and all their answers are going to appear, and it's going to be like a giant waterfall. So let's go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And you can see that they all fire them in there, and you can see all their responses fired in there real quick. And then I like to read them out, and it's just a fun way for us to all get a chance to answer a question and interact with one another. So those are a couple of the fun interactive activities that you can do in Zoom to bring the whole classroom in and really involve everyone.